Some police officers who shot and killed a man outside his home 2 years ago will move forward.
This comes after a federal appeals court denied a request by 4 officers to dismiss the civil case filed by Charion Lockett's family. Adam Bennett joins us now live. He has been on this case since the morning of the shooting. Adam.
Well, Mia, right after this incident happened, HPD did release body camera footage from officers at the scene, but the Lockett family's lawyer accuses them of cherry picking which footage they publicize. Now with this ruling, they say they'll be able to see more video and get depositions from the officers involved.
We want justice!
2 years later, the anger
They started shooting before they even got to Charion.
and pain
I haven't been home in 2 years because they killed him at our home.
haven't left Mother Shanetta Lewis and other family and friends of Charion Lockett.
And I just want justice and some answers.
Lewis says her only child had bachelor's and master's degrees in criminal justice and was a week away from taking the law school admissions test when law enforcement officers killed him February 7th, 2022.
We can't bring him back, but I want the ones that done it to him be held accountable for it.
That shooting on Oak West Drive happened while Houston police were serving a warrant on an aggravated robbery charge from the previous November. Investigators say a man who said he knew Lockett from high school told police Lockett and another man tried to rob him in a parking lot and shots were fired.
He was a criminal and we know nothing about him. Charion has never been in trouble. He's never had a traffic ticket.
Before they can get out the car, the suspect began to fire upon them multiple times. 4 officers returned fire.
The family's lawyer says the video doesn't show that.
An unmarked car without a uniform, without announcing themselves, and pointed a gun at him and shot him and shot him and shot him. And when he went towards his house, they shot him in the back.
Callanan believes this ruling is significant.
These are not a bunch of liberals up in the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. They're conservative people, so they saw something here.
As the family stays faithful
We won't stop.
outside federal court. He does not comment on pending lawsuits. The city attorney told us today in part, quote, the court's opinion is not prejudging the facts or implying that either side's version is more likely to be true than not. It's also important to point out that a grand jury declined to indict those 4 officers on criminal charges. Mia?
Adam Bennett with the latest in this case. Thanks so much.